Everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making local rice. If it is your first time in my channel, kindly consider subscribing. So let's get started. I'll start by heating up palm oil, then add onion and fry it for 60 seconds. And now tomato mix and fry it until the oil starts to float on top. This is fine. Now add locust beans, fry for 2 minutes, and add Bonga fish. Then let it simmer for another 2 minutes. By doing so, I'm building the flavor for the local rice. Okay, this is fine. Here I'll add dry prawns. Stir it properly and then add seasoning cube. Also stir it together, cover it and let it simmer for another 2 minutes. Here I'll add goat meat stock, and water. The quantity of liquid used determines on the kind of rice you're cooking and how fast it gets cooked. Okay, this is fine. I'll add salt, stir it properly, then cover it and bring it to a boil. Okay. Now add washed rice. Then taste it. This is fine, so I'll cover it and cook for 20 minutes until the rice is well cooked and soft. This is nice. I'll stir it properly. Then add scent leaf. And here is my local rice. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do have a wonderful week. Bye.